In this video, we're going to look at more challenging examples of dividing decimals by whole numbers. We're going to look at examples B, we're going to look at examples B, J, G, and O. So let's start with example B. In example B, we have 0.0357 divided by 7. So the dividend goes into the division bar, 0.0357, and the divisor goes on the outside. So really quickly, starting with the first digit in the dividend, we have 0 sevens going to 0, 0 sevens going into the next digit, which is 0, and then we have 0 sevens going into 3. Now this gives us a remainder of 3, which is combined with the 5 in the next column to form 35. So we know that 5 sevens go into 35, which gives us no remainder. And we know that 1 7 then goes into the final digit of 7. And we have to remember to put the decimal point in the same position as the dividend. So the answer in this case is 0.0051. Our next example to explore is J. And J goes like 0.248 divided by 8. So again, 0.248 goes into the division bracket with 8 on the outside. Again, starting from the first digit in the dividend, 0.8 goes into 0. And we also know that 0.8 goes into 2, which leaves us with a remainder of 2, which gets combined with 4 in the next column to form 24. Now we know that 3 8s go into 24, leaving us with no remainder. And finally, we know that 1 8 goes into 8. So the answer in this case is 0.031. We go next to example G. In example G, we have 31.6 divided by 3. So 31.6 goes into the division bracket, and 3 goes on the outside. So starting with the first digit in the dividend, we have 1 3 going into 3. We have 0 3s going to 1. So we have a remainder of 1, which is combined with the 6 in the next column to form 16. So we ask ourselves, how many 3s go into 16? That's 5. 5 3s go into 16, which again gives us a remainder of 1, which will combine with the 0 in the next column to form 10. We have 3 3s going into 10, which gives us another remainder of 1, which will combine with the 0 in the next column to form a 10. And you notice really quickly that this pattern is going to repeat. So putting the decimal place in the same position as the dividend, we have 10.533. And the way to indicate that the 3 is going to continue would be to write it as 10.53 with a dot on top of the 3. The dot on top of the 3 tells us that that is going to repeat. The 3 is going to repeat. And this is the answer, 10.53. Let's go on to O. We have 4.307 divided by 7. Again, we place the dividend in the division bracket. We have 4.307 divided by 7. So again, starting from the first digit, we know that 07 is going into 4, which gives us a remainder of 4, which is combined with 3 in the next column to form 43. And we know that 6 sevens go into 43, giving us 42, which gives us a remainder of 1. We know that, and with 1 combined with the next 0 gives us 10. We know that 1 7 goes into 10, giving us a remainder of 3, which is combined with the digit in the next column to form 37. We know that 5 sevens go into 37, and 5 sevens forms 35, which gives us a remainder of 2, which is combined with the 0 in the next column. In which case, we have 2 sevens going into 20, leaving us with a remainder of 6. And 6 is combined with the next, the 0 in the next column to give us 60. And we know that 8 sevens is 56, which gives us a remainder of 4. Which is combined with the 0 in the next column to form 40. And we know that 5 sevens go into 35. So what happens is this digit is going to continue. I will stop at the 4th decimal place. So what we'll get is 0.6153. So it's approximately 0.6153. And that is the accuracy given to 4 decimal places.